So what's up with comparative subjects being a nominative in German but accusative in English? He is bigger than her, with her being an object in English, but you'd use she in German. German's English sentence, he is, what was it, bigger than her? German sentence, ist größer als sie. If we turn this around, just FYI, so if it was she is bigger than him, it will be the same, so sie ist größer als er. It may be a bit dissatisfying to say, but that is just how als works. Because of the implication, and I hope this is helpful, ist größer als sie ist. Same with ich bin größer als du bist. I am taller than you are. He is taller than she is. That's why it's nominative. So there's an implied verb that doesn't need to be used here because it's a comparison between two people, especially because it's a comparison using sein, which is an auxiliary anyway. The other thing that, before thinking about it for a second, my brain just inserted in there is that sie, of course, is still sie in accusative, right? So whether this is marked red for nominative or yellow for accusative, it doesn't change what the word is. That is not true for er, however. So in this sentence, we can see it more clearly. Same with du, same with ich. This is just a difference between German and English, which might be surprising because that's one of the few cases in which English still uses cases, but this is why. Okay? Oh, and King Beauregard just added in chat, again, another addendum to the other one. In English, grammatically, it's supposed to be he is bigger than she. People get it wrong the way they might say, me and him went to the store. True. Now, here we get to the whole descriptivist versus prescriptivist thing. Is it still wrong if people always use it that way, right? Because nobody says he is bigger than she. You might say, might make a point of saying that, right? But usually you'll say he's bigger than she, or you'll say it is me, not it is I, although that's what it should be, because there is no reason to use accusative me with to be. It is I should be the case. Ich bin es. This may have developed partly, I don't know this. I didn't learn about this specific thing, and I've never looked into it myself. But it may be in part due general English unawareness of cases even being a thing, right? As an English speaker, you might be more likely to just think that me is just another word that belongs in that sentence. Not so much that it's a variation of I, although, of course, they're connected. Me and him went to the store is wrong for two reasons. First, it's a rudeness thing. It should be, you should put yourself second. And then the other thing is it should be he and I. So there, a German speaker would be more likely to say he and I. The question then is that now wrong? Because most English speakers wouldn't say it that way, and some might even correct you, especially if they're aware that you're not a native speaker. Because that is not how you tend to use it descriptively, right? If you wanted to talk about this descriptively, so observing what is rather than what should be, you would have to say that most people say him and I. Or, well, no, him and me, I guess. So then, yeah, and whether you then say him and I, he and I, whatever, you're always going to come off pretentious to some people. It's interesting how language works that way. Anyway, moving on.